Hi, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today you will learn how to model a pen using Blender. Let's get started. First I'm going to remove everything in the scene. Let me extend the tools so you see which tool we're going to be using. Move, rotate, and scale. Let me add the Z-axis. It's currently missing in the overlays. So I'll just click here. Overlays. Click on the Z. And voila. I'm going to remove the grid because we don't need it. You can just remove the floor. Now it's clean. Alright, let's get started. Sorry, add cylinder. Scale it up. Take the view a little bit further. Alright. A little bit. Now, let's make the cap. I'm just going to duplicate it. Make it a little bit bigger. And then resize it on the Z-axis. And move it up. Maybe a little bit smaller. Perfect. Now we've got the cap. Let's do the bottom part. Just a little detail. Duplicate, click. Let's move it down a little bit. And then resize it inward. Yeah, let's make it smaller. No. Actually. There we go. There we go. And let's recenter the whole thing, align view, center and frame everything. There we go. Nice. It looks like a pen. And then let's make a little shirt clip. Top view, zoom in here. My bad. Starting to look like a clip. Should be a little bit thinner. Yeah, it's a bit too wide. Nice, and then let's make the little bump. Oops. Since it's just one object, we can also set a specific number here, 90. There we go. Let's lock the view. And that's it. From everything. There you have it. We have a 3D pen. I'll save your file. And that's it. You are ready for the next tutorial. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment. And as always, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.